Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I am here today with a plan with me in my Glam Girl Mini. I've been doing a lavender theme all month, and I think today I'm going to mix this up. I think I'm going to use like the pink here. So I'm going to transfer these goals into like my to-do list. Definitely putting this on Wednesday, because I have lots of things to get done. Okay. So we'll do the pink and let's say black. So I'm going to be to do. Let's see. I think I am going to use the one that says today, just to cover up this goal. And so I'll put my household goals there, and then maybe errands there that I have to run as well. Thursday, I'm definitely going to need a to-do list. I have lots of things to get done. Let's see if I can put it up here. And see if we can find some cute little bullet points and some cute little checks. So we'll just use these checks just to put the things down I need to get done on Thursday. And I actually really love planning in my minis because it's not something that takes a long time. You know, you put your plans and then you keep it pushing. Find you a couple of cute stickers and everything is done. So I think I only had like 4 to-dos for Thursday. For Friday, I'm going to do a to-do list. Oops, I don't like how that looked. I'll put it here after the 16th. So if I wanted to use this side for something, I could. For Saturday, I'm going to lay down like a little checklist for Saturday. Sunday, I'm going to put a to-do list on Sunday, simply because, well, how about a little black box that I can overlap for Sunday? I don't have a lot of things to do on Sunday, but I have some things to get done. All right, I'm going to put this to-do list right here so we can incorporate the pink there. And for Sunday, I could do a pink to-do box. And let's overlap that a little bit here for Sunday. And let's do, instead of a to-do, let's call it our top priority list, because I am leaving out of town on Monday for a 10-day business trip. And so the things that I do on Sunday will definitely be top priority. All right, for Tuesday, we'll use this lovely to-do sticker. And then again, for Monday, I like this hustle. Put it in black. Little hustle. Because it was a definite hustle with this whole daylight saving time. Ooh, daylight saving times is killing a lady. It's killing me. All right, so we are going to, let's see. I like this get to work sticker. And pink to-do list right here. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm gonna cover that word of the week up with us a cute little quote. Okay. She turned her cans into cans and dreams into plans. I think this is very appropriate and fitting. And it's gonna lap a little over here, but I'm fine with that. I think I'm gonna pull this up a little bit just to put my box over that. Don't want to remove the functionality from my planner. I do like it, and I think I will finish the edges off by either putting some pink tape there or some I can do that pink. This is an ombre effect. I don't think it's the right color ombre. Let's see. I'll just do black. It's easier. Yeah, we'll take this. This black is fine. Okay. Okay. And we'll go ahead and cut this. Awesome. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Ooh. And we have okay, so I'm going to take my handy dandy scissors here and I'm just going to trim off this excess part here, and then I'm going to take my classic punch and I'm going to punch the holes back, and we shall be done. And this does go into my chunky mini, which I call Miss Thickums. So I have swapped out her disc, and I actually have removed one of the planners from her. However, she still remains extremely chunky, but she does fit now into my deluxe cover. So I changed her out. She has hot pink disc, and she's cute. Now let's see how she looks on in the actual planner, and I'll give you a updated view of Mrs. Thickums. I added those hot pink discs, and she is just so super cute. Let's go here to March, and let's pop her back in. Let's see how she looks. So that was last week's spread against the hot pink disc. I think that is super fabulous. Okay, that's how she looks in there. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and pop my little plans in here. And that is going to be it. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate it. It's been super fun planning in my mini. And remember, you can always throw it in your purse as your on-the-go planner. Well, I hope you have a great and a productive week. And if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Ciao bella.